Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour of the construction that's going on the Melrose Hill Bypass. We are in Manchester and this bypass is under construction because it's going to be a part of Highway 2000. The Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 is being built and that highway is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill Bypass. So this road is going to become 4 lanes and it's going to be a dual carriageway. It's going to look just like the Kingston to Maypen sections of Highway 2000. It's going to have the concrete barricade in the middle, and it's also going to be a major interchange for Highway 2000. So you can get on the highway, you can get off the highway. There are going to be entrance ramps and exit ramps out on the Melrose Hill Bypass to get on the highway. So straight ahead now we're going to look at a bridge that's being built. So where we are now is the original Melrose Hill Bypass road. The road to the right is a new road that has been built. So this section of Highway 2000 is going to run from the Maypen roundabout to Williamsfield in Manchester. So when the highway, alright, let's go through the alignment so you know what's going on. From the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park, that section of the highway is complete and it runs adjacent to the Maypen bypass. So the highway will run alongside the main road. Then from Clarendon Park to Melrose Hill, where we are now, a new road has been built through the hill. So that's the road we're looking at straight ahead. And that bridge that's under construction, the one straight ahead, is where the section of the highway that comes over the hill is going to merge back with the Melrose Hill Bypass. And then from Melrose Hill, it will go up to Williamsfield, where this section will end. Now this highway will run from Kingston to Montego Bay when completed, but they're building it out in phases. So this phase will end in Maypen. In Williamsfield in Manchester. Alright, so the Melrose Hill Bypass now, it runs from Porous to... Okay, hold on. Let's get out of here and then we continue the tour. Okay, the Melrose Hill Bypass, it's an existing road that they're just incorporating into the highway. It runs from Porous to Williamsfield. And the important thing to note is you can still use this section of the Melrose Hill Bypass, even though it's going to be a part of Highway 2000, without paying toll. Highway 2000 is going to be a toll road, but you can use this section. Since the Highway 2000 is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill Bypass, you don't have to pay toll to use this section. So if you're going from Porous to Williamsfield or Williamsfield to Porous in the other direction, you don't have to pay toll. However, if you're going to get on Highway 2000, then that is where you pay the toll. And to the right, that is Melrose Hill. There is a road that runs through there now, but that road is very narrow. So they built the bypass so that persons could travel easier. And then now, in addition to the bypass, you're going to have the highway. Alright, so let's talk about when this road is going to open. It's scheduled to open early this year. They said it should be completed by March 2023, and it's over 90% complete. The section from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park is actually finished. The only section left is this section here now by Melrose Hill, and this is the last part of the highway. And some parts of the highway from, okay, they're actually the road to the right that comes when the highway comes over the hill and comes down. That section is actually just being paved now, so it should be finished very soon. So this highway will be finished very soon. It's on track to finish by March 2023. Okay. And it's over 90% complete. A subscriber was saying that he doesn't think it's 90%, but it is. It's just that this section of the highway is the last part to be fixed. And remember, this highway is running all the way from Maypen, so that section is actually open. No, not open. The road is complete, and they had to put up barricades to prevent persons from driving on the highway because that section is finished. And of course, you don't have to ask who is doing this work. I'll give everybody one guess. China Harbour Engineering Company. They do all the major roadworks in Jamaica, like these highways. Which is not necessarily a bad thing, because when local contractors do it, sometimes the project is delayed, and with the experience that's happening on the southern coastal highway, I say give all these major road contracts to China Harbour Engineering Company. They have proven that they can get the job done. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.